So I'm making lunch for today and tomorrow's work lunch. So I've got a new lettuce. This one includes the roots there. It's a shame it's in plastic. So what I'm going to do is use most of the lettuce, save the roots and a few leaves, and plant this. So that way that will regrow and I'll be able to get some more lettuce. Just going to carefully pull the leaves off that I need, leave some at the bottom, and I'm going to rinse the leaves in my IKEA salad spinner. So there's my lettuce ready to plant. I've left some leaves at the top. That's for lunch to put in the fridge. For tomorrow I've got re-washable containers instead of using cling wrap. There's a washed lettuce for the fridge for the rest of the week. Just going to water it in with water from the rainwater tank with a bit of sea soil fertiliser in it. And there's one I've prepared earlier.